Now, it's Ian's turn.
All right, Mike, I think I still remember my task. You wanted me to share two interesting facts about San Francisco.
Bingo!
All right. So the first thing I might have to do is I need to add a new slide, eh?
Yes, sir. Let's show everybody how to do that.
All right. I'm gonna go along with Mike's style, and I'm gonna make a blank slide here. And this time I'm gonna play with shapes. Let's make some shapes. So I need two facts. So I'll make two different shapes. One of my favorite tools in slides, or pretty much almost any app, is Control C and Control V because
Amen.
it's a very efficient way to make boxes and shapes and things that are the same size and allows me to organize my space very efficiently. My favorite part of Google Slides are these little red bars that will automatically show me when things are lining up as well.
And I can watch Ian do this in live time from my view.
Okay, I'll center that. Let's make this a little bit larger. Cool. What is some interesting facts about San Francisco? Well, for one,
Good food. Sourdough bread.
Lombard Street is the most crooked street in the USA.
True. And it's
The,
very pretty too.
the more you know. And my second fact is actually blue jeans. Anybody who likes to wear blue jeans, they were actually invented by a man named Levi Strauss in San Francisco in the 1840s. So, if I want to add some images to go along with this, Mike already showed you, I'm going to show you again.
Because I have that image word rule 50-50.
That's right. Yeah, it's quite crooked, I think. All right. And
Ian, can you show them how to put a border on your picture?
I think I can. So once again, almost everything happens on the format options or under border color. Let's start with a color. I like black. And you can make the border thicker or thinner. Yeah, this works for me.
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, there we go. Not that part, just the part of me searching for an image. Okay.
Put it in.
Let's make a border for this one too, eh?
Yeah, perfect.
You can make custom hues, or I will make
You
this
don't have a
border.
font.
I'll make this one dark blue because it's a blue jean.
All right.
Now, once again, I really enjoy the red lines because I can put my little fact boxes and I can center them just right there along the images. And how about a nice background?
And I'm a font monster. I like good, clear, modern fonts. And while Ian's changing his background, I also want to tell you that one of the great things about Google is you can work on Google in Korean. You know, your Korean teacher's teaching English, but if you work faster and more efficiently in Korean, then I encourage you to keep your Google programming in Korean and work that way. Whatever's going to make you work better and faster.
I'm going to use this font called Pacifico because San Francisco's on the Pacific Ocean. And now this font is not the most readable, I think Mike would admit, but I'm quite happy with this slide.
Slide looks good. It matches the cover. Ian, is there a way that teachers can do animations with this?
Oh, I sure can, but I'm going to let you do that.
All right. And again, Ian and I are working on live time. I can see his little face there. So I just want to make this fact here. I want to make it appear not instantly. I want the students to think. So I highlight it. I go to Insert, Animation. There's all these things you can do. Fade in, fade out, fly to the left. I'm just going to say fly in from the left on the click. So you do have to click it. Let's test it out. We'll click play. I click. Bam. So you can just highlight each item that you want. And then when you highlight it, remember in Google, you get that blue edit screen. You just click here, fly out to the bottom, get a preview. That just disappeared. Yeah, the possibilities are endless. But let's go back and take a look at this slide. So we know our topic is San Francisco. We have beautiful, beautiful slides. Thank you to Ian for his contribution. And we don't have to click save. Again, you notice there's no save button because Google is a cloud. You never have to worry about losing your PowerPoints. And I can tell you, I've done that before. I've gone into PowerPoints before, and if you don't click save as or save, your computer freezes, or
You mindlessly click don't save when they click the final X?
yeah, yes. So for me, Google is amazing. I encourage you to go on here and play around with it, but there are many great things you can do with Google Slides, and they're adding more and more Korean graphics as well. Ian, do you have anything you want to say before we close?
San Francisco is interesting.
San Francisco is interesting and good food too.
All right. I look forward to seeing you all in Mike's class or in my class.
All right, this is Mike,
And Ian.
and we're signing out. See you later.
Cheers.